aeroplano na sa bukas pa pintuan niya. So, yan sir ang itang
Balik kay ni Tarog.
Yung si Ma'am Halilit at saka si Kitty, gusto mo ring sabay-sabay na sila.
Sir, ganito. Hindi ko dinay-deny na pinrevent ko si VP Sara na pumasok based on the request of the president, the former president. The reason for that, yes ma'am, because the reason for that is that 12 hours na nakalipas.
Yes.
Lahat ng mga
Watch Monster
I
Fish!
cannot allow that. Otherwise, magiging magulo pa ang situation.
Karapatan ba ang explanation based
Mas lalo
na bisita sa kanyang tatay?
Kani ba? Kani?
We do believe,
Oh.
ako sir personally, that's my call at that time. Because I'm operating on the premise na
It's
our
your
mission.
call. It's your call.
Yes, sir.
It's your call to violate the law. Bawal na pigilan yung anak na bumibisita. So it's your call to violate